That hurt my head, I laughed so hard then. It's so funny because I have people in the cab, right? And you go, are you okay with me filming? And they're like, yeah, that'll be class. And then I go, beep, and they're like, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, we are here. It's raining again, it's always raining when you're here. I've got a special guest. We've got a guest today.
Hello.
Got my special daughter. Uh-oh.
Did you just drive into that? Oh.
So this is my youngest daughter. You met Olivia on the other one who had to drive about in the truck. Welcome to the channel, Neve.
I feel very welcome.
So Neve's coming for a bit of work experience. And we've also got, we're going to try for the first time on the channel, the head mount. So we're going to look really cool, really stupid. As long as you guys are having a good time, that's all that matters. We're going to get a Land Rover Discovery that is broken down.
Is he going to get in here?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, he's not getting in here. We were going to bring Malcolm, but I thought there's only so many special guests you can have on the channel in one day. So it's either Malcolm or Neve. Neve's come down to stay for the weekend, haven't you?
Took me 3.5 hours to get here.
3.5 hours.
I drove.
Neve's just passed her driving test. What? How long ago?
5 months. Today.
5 months. She's an absolute experienced driver now. As a result of it now, she's become like everybody's taxi driver at work, haven't you?
Honestly, it's a joke. They're all like middle-aged women.
I was going to say, who's the worst? It's the middle-aged women. There's
this 42-year-old woman relying on a 17-year-old to take her home from work. It's embarrassing.
Old women.
Well old. Honestly.
It's always them 42-year-olds. You want to watch them. I think we might have gone the wrong way here, Neve.
What's going on? People just can't drive. I can.
How fast their windscreen wipers are going? How much is it raining where you are? How to tell if you're a dramatic person is you need your windscreen wipers going that fast. We've not even got ours on.
Yeah, if it's doing this, I just put them on when I can't see.
Yeah. Science. Right on, Neve. That's experience. You're 17 now, right? We need a life lesson that you've learned in that time, and we need a driving lesson that you've learned in that time.
Just don't trust any drivers. They're unpredictable. You don't know what they're going to do. Yeah, just don't trust drivers.
Yeah.
And a general life lesson is
no boyfriends. That's the rule, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Good.
But
Good
another
rule.
one, if you don't want to do something, say no. Don't think you're being rude. Like if someone invites you somewhere and you don't want to go, don't go.
Yeah.
And then say no. You're not being rude. You're just saving yourself.
Nice. Ooh, we're wheel spinning.
Ooh.
I've never done a wheel spinning, Ronnie, before. Hiya, are you expecting Sleaford Recovery to recover a Discovery? Full strapped on. My bloody lights have stopped working. Again, these jaw lights, man. They're doing my head in. What is wrong with you? We're on a Voyager Discovery now. Did you get it?
Is the car on the back's a Discovery?
Yeah! It's a heavy Discovery as well. Heavy old girl. When I see these people that have these Discoveries and that on like the back of these like 3.5 ton vans and that, I don't know how they do it. Like, feel the weight. You must be able to feel the weight. Do you feel the weight? Yeah, I can feel it, mate.
I mean, we feel slower.
Yeah, slower, and it's like, I feel like it's like wallowing about.
Yeah. I think I'd get it more if I was driving.
Yeah.
But I'm not.
One day, kiddo, one day. Do you think you'll have a YouTube channel?
No. Not after I got bullied for the one I had when I was
That was funny. I'm going to find some footage. I'm going to find some footage of Neve's YouTube channel.
No.
When she was a kid. I'm going to put it on here. You've got to see it.
I'll report it.
It was the coolest thing. It was good stuff, man. It was good. You should think about doing it again. You had all the right. I remember that one, and you're, what are you, like 5 in it? Is it? You're about 5 or older?
I don't know.
And you're like, hi guys, welcome back to the channel.
Today I'm going to be showing you how to put your lipstick on.
It was so funny. Hold my beer and watch this, because I'm going to find it. I'm going to find it. I knew I bought you for a reason.
Cleaning.
Get cleaning. What was it like when you went with your dad in the truck? It was great. Yeah, just you know how to polish. Sleaford on a Friday is like Village of the Damned. Just people walking around like, there's the pub open.
Reminds me of Shaun of the Dead.
Yeah. No, we shouldn't be like that about Sleaford. We love Sleaford, Neve.
No,
We've got Sleaford written on the side of the truck. We love Sleaford, our adoptive home.
Sleaford is.
Let's let this man cross the road. There you go, look. See what I know? I've always kind of wanted to let someone cross the road and then just go boom. But sorry, I couldn't help it. Just let them cross and it's like.
I'm a local celebrity at home.
Oh, yeah?
I got a message on Instagram the other day saying,
hello?
Was that you I saw in the gym? And I said, yeah. And then he said,
Neve, you should be going, go away you creep.
well, he said it was good to see you. He didn't even speak to me. He just stared at me from the shoulder press machine. He's a weird guy. I went to school with him.
Did he have clothes on? Oh, at least he wasn't like 60. It's good to see you from the shoulder press machine. Jesus Christ. So accent fans on the channel. So Neve's a bit of an accent monster, isn't you? Do some Scottish. Go on, speak Scottish.
Go on.
Speaking a Scottish accent. I'll put the cloth away.
You got me to clean.
No, it's Scottish.
Sorry. Hello.
Go on. Hello. Sound like a fishwife from Bucky. Hello.
The traffic lights are green. Go!
I love how your road rage was Scottish. Go! That was so funny. That hurt my head. I laughed so hard then. As if you just had Scottish road rage. Oh, that was funny.
I'll do a running commentary of what we're doing.
Right.
So,
Fit me in.
we're about to crash. No, we're not. Oh, is this where we're dropping it off?
No.
No.
Oh, I just go northern.
No.
No.
I can go Australian if you like.
Yeah, do it. Let's do Australian. We'll both do it.
Let's do Australian.
If we both do it, I can't do it
You
now.
look like some family from Aussie. From the land of the Oz, mate. With the kangaroos.
You are so much better accents than me. People will think they've tuned into YouTube Australia. Oh, isn't it just the same YouTube?
Probably.
There isn't like.
They might think they've tuned into an episode of Neighbours though. Isn't that Australian?
Neighbours.
Is that Australian? I've never watched
Yeah,
it.
Neighbours is Australian. Right, I need to go and unload this quickly because we've like blocked the whole road.
I'll just stay here.
Are you staying here?
I'll just stay here. If I sit in the middle, will that make me the centre of attention? I wonder how much of this is gonna go in the thing. If I be entertaining, some of it might be blocking the road. There's a big big red button here and I want to press it.
Yeah. Cheers, Chris. Just drop me a message, mate, and I'll come and grab it. People are nosy, but no one wants to let you out. So yeah, that's that car dropped off. Oh, still got my lights on. Still flashing them out. I do that a lot.
Oh.
Welcome to the driver's seat of Ronnie. So that lay-by there is maybe known for nighttime activities.
Oh, is that the one?
Yeah, that's the one you just...
was on about?
Yeah, you do not go in that lay-by. Pretty much ever. Just don't go in there, right? If you go in that lay-by, if you're a fan of things that go bump in the night, you go in that lay-by. But they've closed it for 9 weeks. What are they all going to do? What are the doggers? I mean, the dog walkers. I mean, what are they going to do? Have to sleep with their partners. Oh. Oh. That sounds terrible.
It's been productive today.
Yeah.
Polished the van, lorry.
Yeah, you polished in here. Look how lovely it looks.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're limited to 90 kilometers an hour, which is 56 mile an hour.
What? So you can't go faster than 60?
No, well I can, but I got to pull a fuse out of that.
Oh.
One of my subscribers told me that if you blow the fuse for the heater, your speed limit goes away. You sit here cold, but you can go really fast. Recovery friend!
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Do accents. What accents we do?
Cockney.
Go on then. Oh, you slag!
Schlag.
Oi! Use language like that.
Well, you should have heard what Lou told me to say then.
Why?
She told me to say, oh, for...
FFS?
Yeah. And I was like, no, don't be a bad influence.
I know your da.
Your dad sells Avon. Wheels. I can't do Welsh. Alright, I'll stick to Aussie. It's raining over there. Can you see? No, I don't think you can. Nah. I'm in the wing mirror. It's been a long day, really.
Oh, that's good. It's been a long day.
It's been a long day. We're gonna have, oh my god!
What?
We're gonna have a barbie on Sunday.
Sunday? Do some more Scottish.
Go!
Have some Scottish road rage.
Get out the way, man. You wee dober.
Get there, you wee shite. You wee dober.
We've got a traffic jam. We've got some cars behind. We need to put your foot
Yeah, who
down.
says that Scotland, who says that Lincolnshire's not hilly? Look at this for a hill.
I know, can you see the hill?
Let's get to the pub, Neve. You up for the pub?
Yes.
For a lime and soda? Right, cheers for watching, gang. See you on the next one.
See you later.
Say goodbye, Neve.
Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next singing video. Bye.
Goodbye, Neve.
If you want to comment or subscribe, but you don't have to, so